Hello everyone, this is Crypto Maximalist. Welcome back to another video. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and get involved if you like the content. We're currently running a giveaway for those who are liking our videos, so give the video a like if you want to be entered into that giveaway. So we're just taking a look at Polygon here, and as we can see, obviously over the past few days we've had a lot of market turbulence in general. A massive, big black swan event happening in the market with FTX, potentially going insolvent, lots of sketchy business going on with it. And we can see we had this huge sell-off for Polygon here, but it's actually recovered pretty damn well, hasn't it? If we're being completely honest, a lot of cryptos are looking very, very bearish right now, but Polygon's still looking very, very strong, to be honest. If you take a look at this chart overall, obviously, had that huge sell-off. We've come back into that range, ranging for a good while here. We started to get a hold of our EMAs and move to the upside into that 618 on that overall Fibonacci pull. And, we're up here, looking good, testing resistance. Obviously, we have that big sell-off. So those 2 days there, massive move to the downside, back inside the range. We pretty much come down and retest the bottom of the range, or at least some of these swing lows on that big move to the upside. We come down and retest, but we actually got a very decent bounce off the low there, haven't we? For Polygon here, and it's actually come back all the way up outside of that previous range resistance. And it's actually back testing, by the looks of it, this swing high outside of the range, which is really good to see, isn't it? So you could say really, you've got a bit of a key level forming here, looking something like this, where you've come up into it here when you broke out the range, but you got rejected. You come back down, you come back up, you break out, you've rolled back inside of it. But again, with that black swan event, you'd probably expect this, as we said in our previous videos, to back test and continue. But because of that wider market condition, we did see Polygon have a bit of an overreactive sell-off, followed by a very, very nice move to the upside here. And we've come back up above that resistance, and now hopefully flipping it into support from what we can see. I mean, if we take a look at the hourly, it's more easy to see what's happened here. You can see all the way back here, we've got the swing high, which we marked on the chart here. Obviously, we came up, got those bearish divergences heading into the 618, so we rolled over. We were expecting a bit of support to be formed here, but obviously with the wider market selling off continually, we come back inside the range, we back test the range as resistance, we come all the way down, massive overextension. You can see this inverse head and shoulders type situation going on here, along with the correlation between the shoulder line being literally that previous resistance of the range high. You can see this inverse head and shoulders forming here, where basically we come down, it's resistance, overextension, resistance, and then break the resistance, run all the way up, get stuck under that level there, but we have a bit of a rollover back down to retest that level back here, basically, which was that swing high of the range breakout previously. So overall, as we said, Polygon, I mean, it's looking pretty damn good, isn't it, in the market right now, getting back above this key level of resistance. So in our opinion, we've got a few price predictions for Polygon. If we do see the market, starting to recover from this black swan event that we have seen, obviously the 618 up here being the target. And if we are rolling over, you'd expect probably a retest down here of the 050. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you everyone for watching. Make sure to check out the links in the description below to support the channel. Grab yourself some free money bonuses, like the video, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you in the next video.